Back in the day, people didn't spend money, they stretched it. Every dollar had a job, and every item had value. Nothing was wasted. In 2025, things are different. We're drowning in subscriptions, credit card debt, and stuff we don't even use. But here's the truth, old-school frugal habits still work, and some could save you thousands today. Let's dive into 14 frugal habits from the past that are more relevant than ever. 1. Cook at home. Eating out adds up fast. Back then, meals were made from scratch, cheap, filling, and healthier. In 2025, with prices soaring, home cooking is one of the smartest financial moves you can make. Batch cook, freeze leftovers, and turn your kitchen into a money-saving machine. 2. Grow your own food. A few pots of herbs, some tomatoes on the balcony, that's all it takes. In the past, gardens were survival tools. In 2025, they're your defense against rising grocery costs. 3. Buy in bulk. Grandma didn't buy a single cup of rice, she bought the whole sack. Buying non-perishables in bulk cuts cost per item and reduces store trips. Just store it smart and use what you buy. 4. Use cash instead of credit. Before credit cards, people used cash and stuck to their budgets. Try the envelope method in 2025. When the cash is gone, the spending stops. 5. Mend and repair. They didn't toss things at the first tear or crack, they fixed them. Learn basic sewing, patching, or DIY repair. It'll save you from repeat purchases and extend the life of everything. If you're liking these throwback money-saving tips, hit that like button and subscribe. More smart living tips coming your way. 6. Shop secondhand. Garage sales, thrift stores, online marketplaces, there's no shame in secondhand. People used to trade, barter, and reuse. You can find high-quality items for a fraction of the price. 7. Make your own cleaners. Vinegar, baking soda, lemon juice. That's all you need. Homemade cleaners cost pennies, work great, and skip the chemicals. 8. Reuse everything. Glass jars became containers. Worn-out shirts became rags. Today? Everything's tossed. Start rethinking waste, and save money while you're at it. 9. Air dry your clothes. Electric dryers are convenient, but expensive to run. Use a drying rack or clothesline. Your clothes will last longer, and your utility bill will thank you. 10. Walk or bike when you can. Short trips don't need a car. Walking and biking are free, healthy, and fuel efficient. In the past, it was the norm. In 2025, it's a smart way to save hundreds a year. 11. Keep life simple. Our grandparents lived with less, and were happier for it. Declutter your home and focus on what really matters. Less stuff, fewer bills, more peace of mind. 12. Use reusables instead of disposables. Cloth napkins, refillable bottles, reusable containers, these were normal back then. Ditch the single-use products and invest in things that last. 13. Plan no-spend days. Picnics, family game nights, or just a walk in the park, free fun is timeless. Make one day a week a no-spend day. It resets your habits and helps your budget breathe. 14. Be content with what you have. Frugality isn't just about cutting costs. It's about appreciating what you already have. Gratitude is powerful. Write down 3 things you're thankful for each day, and watch your desire for more shrink. 15. Use a meal plan. Back in the day, families didn't wing dinner, they planned it. In 2025, meal planning can slash your food waste and grocery bill. Make a list, stick to it, and avoid impulse buys. You'll save time, money, and stress. 16. Share and borrow instead of buy. Neighbors used to lend tools, trade books, and share what they had. Why buy a ladder you'll use once a year? Start borrowing, bartering, or using community sharing groups online. It's cheaper and builds real connection. 17. Cancel unused subscriptions. Decades ago, there were no monthly charges quietly draining your bank account. Today, subscriptions sneak up on you. Audit your accounts. Cancel what you don't use. That $9.99 here and $14.99 there adds up fast. 18. Learn basic DIY skills. Old-school frugality meant knowing how to fix, build, and improve things on your own. Whether it's unclogging a sink or painting a room, learning basic skills saves hundreds in service fees. 19. Preserve food at home. Canning, freezing, drying, people preserved food because waste wasn't an option. In 2025, it's still smart. Buy seasonal produce in bulk and preserve it for later. You'll cut grocery costs and reduce spoilage. 20. Track every expense. Our grandparents knew exactly where every penny went. In 2025, tracking your money is easier than ever, with apps or just pen and paper. Awareness is the first step to control. If you don't track it, you can't fix it. And remember, this isn't about living without joy. It's about living intentionally, spending where it matters. Frugal habits from the past are a secret weapon for financial freedom in today's expensive world. Thanks for watching.